Do you have a big PDF file and want to extract just a few pages to a new PDF? You can do this right from within Google Docs. Go to Extensions, Text to Table Converter, and open the sidebar. Then select PDF Tools and Organize PDFs. Here you can add a PDF from your Google Drive or upload one from your computer. For this demo, I'll upload one from my computer. You are shown all the pages in your PDF. I only want to keep pages 1, 3, and 5. I'll just click on the pages I want to keep. Now I click Create PDFs and Download, and there it is in the browser's downloads, a new, clean PDF with just pages 1, 3, and 5. But let's go back to the editor, and let's explore some more useful options. Click on the Watermark button. Now let's try enabling a watermark showing Draft on every page. Let's also enable page numbers. Now let's create the new PDF file again and download it. When we open this new version, you can see the draft watermark on each page, and our page numbers have been added perfectly to the bottom. If you haven't installed the extension yet, you can find the link in the description below. On the Google Workspace Marketplace, just hit the Install button and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching!